911.
Hello?
Yeah, hi. Is this 911?
No.
Yes, this is 911.
No, I'm just a 10-year-old boy who you're calling. Goodbye.
No, don't go. Do not go. I know you're still there. I want my pizza.
I'm not a pizza delivery man. I'm just a 10-year-old boy.
Did I ask you if you were a 10-year-old? I want my pizza. My friends like pepperoni. Do you make pepperoni?
No.
Do you make anything? Giraffe legs?
No. Do you know what I do make?
Cowboy hats?
No.
Lions?
No.
Trees?
No.
Babies?
No. Wait, who do you think I am?
Slender Man?
No, I'm just a 10-year-old boy.
No, I'm pretty sure you're 911. You're either 911 or Slender Man. Pick one of those.
911. Yeah.
Okay, so where's my pizza?
Oh, what? If I was 911, you would be calling for an emergency, not for pizza.
It's an emergency. I need pizza. Right now.
Why didn't you call Pizza Hut or something like that?
Because they never pick up. 911 always picks up. They have to pick up.
But the thing is that 911 calls if there's an emergency. Say if you got shot or something like that.
I just got shot. Now can I have my pizza?
Sorry, sir. I won't take this.
Why are you so stubborn? Just give me my pizza.
I'm just a 10-year-old boy. I don't make pizza. If you want, I'll call Domino's and they can order for you.
I bet you're a 20-year-old woman named Mary. Now give me my pizza.
No, I'm actually a 10-year-old boy named... Hey, I can't give away my personal identity. So, to this weird man.
No, I'm just the guy who wants some pizza from 911. Is that too hard? Hello? Hello?
Disconnected.
Son of a...